Hello, I'm OBD, the voice of your car. Today we are talking about code P0400. This one's all about the EGR system, that is the exhaust gas recirculation system. Its job is to route some exhaust gases back into the intake Y to lower combustion temperatures and cut harmful emissions. When the EGR system fails, the temperature in the cylinders rises, emissions go up, and the engine can run rough. What are the symptoms of P0400? You might feel reduced engine power, the idle could become unstable, you might hear pinging or knocking under load, and of course the check engine light comes on. What causes it? Number 1, a clogged EGR valve. Carbon buildup is the usual suspect. Number 2, a faulty EGR control solenoid, that is the little electric valve that opens and closes the EGR. Number 3, vacuum leaks or cracked hoses in the EGR circuit. Number 4, bad sensors that monitor flow and position. So how do you start diagnosing P0400? First step, connect an OBD2 scanner, check for other related codes and look at the live data for EGR operation. If the valve never opens or the readings stay the same, the problem is real. Next, inspect the hoses and pipes in the system. A split vacuum line can stop the valve from working. If everything looks good, check the EGR valve itself. If it is clogged, remove it and clean it with proper cleaner. Do not use anything that will damage the diaphragm. If the valve is fine, check the control solenoid or stepper motor, make sure it is getting power and ground. If there is no signal from the ECU during operation, that could mean wiring issues or a bad control circuit. Once the repair is done, clear the codes, then test drive the car while watching the EGR data. If the system opens and closes when it should, you have fixed the problem. Bottom line, P0400 is not the end of the world, but ignoring it can lead to higher emissions and engine problems over time. Diagnose it properly before replacing parts, and remember, sometimes a simple cleaning is all it takes.